What a beautiful day to start a water fight. Watch out, Chili. Crocodile is driving on the street. Uh-oh. You should say sorry instead of laughing, babies. And come on, Crocodile. It was an accident. The babies are stuck in slime. Chili, run! Oh no! Crocodile is covering the street with slime. Super Truck, you have to stop Crocodile. Time to transform. The fire truck will stop the slime attack. Let's stop that egg from hurting Frank and Chili. Let's throw it away. Two birds with one stone. Crocodile is angry with you too, Super Truck. Oh no! Crocodile is getting more violent now. Frank, take Chili to a safe place. Super Truck is covering you. This street looks like a safe place for Chili. Stay here, Chili. Frank, Super Truck needs your help. There are too many eggs for Super Truck to handle alone. Watch out! Frank, get out of there! Frank saved Super Truck, but got himself stuck in slime. You're being too nasty, Crocodile. Chili is worried about you, Frank. Don't worry, guys. Super Truck is here to help. Great teamwork. You're free again, Frank. Frank, Super Truck, let's save the babies. Chili will show you the way. Crocodile won't allow fire trucks to free the babies. Water won't be enough to stop Crocodile. Time to use the ST-3000. The telekinetic ray will save the day. Good job, Frank. Super Truck, Chili is in danger. Let's bring the egg back to its owner. Crocodile, you're stuck. You can finally free the babies from the slime. Don't worry, guys. Super Truck knows someone who will clean up this mess. The babies are sorry for throwing water on you. Not so fast, Crocodile. You still have to clean this mess.
Hi, babies. What are you looking at? Oh, wow! What a beautiful Christmas tree. Well done, Carrie. Your Christmas tree looks wonderful. Your guests are going to love it. That's right. There are going to be presents. Santa gave them to Penny. She is bringing them over right now. Are you excited, babies? Hi, Penny. Are you bringing over the Christmas presents to Carrie's diner for the party? Oh, no. What's that sound? Is there a problem? Careful, Penny. Your trap door is opening. Oh, no! The presents! What are we going to do? Carl, quick! Penny is in trouble. She needs help from Super Truck. Look, Super Truck! Penny is over there! Don't worry, Penny. Super Truck is here to help. Super Truck! Penny was bringing Christmas presents from Santa to Carrie's diner, but they fell out through her trap door. Yes, it's terrible. The guests are expecting their presents. You need to find them and carry them back in time for the party. Go, Super Truck! Transform! Hurry, Super Truck! The party is going to start soon! Are you sure it was a good idea to turn into a dump truck? You say so. I think a race car would have been better. Is there a present here? Oh yes! Behind you! Hurry, Super Truck! Put that present in your trunk and let's get going! You need to find the others! Yay! Only one left to find, Super Truck. Let's look in the park. Do you see the last present, Super Truck? Are you sure you don't see it? Look behind you. There it is on the branch. But how are you going to get it, Super Truck? That's not going to work, Super Truck. No, this won't work. You need to use your ST3000. Great idea, Super Truck. Super Truck, quit messing around. The party is about to start. Let's grab that present and go. Great job! Now let's go to Carrie's party. Don't worry, Carrie. Super Truck will be here soon. Here comes Super Truck with the present. Everybody's been good this year. Everybody gets a present. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Is Matilda teaching you about road safety, baby trucks? Be patient, Jerry. Lily is trying to park. You'll scare someone. Watch out, Matilda! Oh no! You got hit by Lily. Matilda is too dizzy to drive straight. Uh-oh, will Matilda bump into the baby trucks? Someone help them! Oh no! What will Police Robot do now? We need Super Truck! Super Truck! Here you are. Police Robot is on the loose. Police Robot's exhaust is emitting sparks. They could cause a fire. You better stop her. Oh no! A fire! Super Truck, you better transform. Great! Now, put out that fire, fire truck! Phew! Good job. But what's that? Oh no, it seems Police Robot sparks have caused more fire. Help, Super Truck! There's Police Robot. Try pouring water on her exhaust to stop the spark. Hey, these cars are not doing anything wrong. You can't give them a fine. Oh no, now paper sheets have caught fire from the sparks. We need to stop it. Police Robot could spread more fire in the city. She needs to be stopped. Police Robot is causing a traffic jam. How will you catch her now? Not another fire, and this one's much bigger. Oh no, they are trapped by the fire. They need your help. Oh no, the fire is too strong. Super Truck, you cannot extinguish it. Phew! Thanks for your help, Frank, but it's not safe yet. You will need something to catch Police Robot. Let's use the ST-3000. A glue gun. Excellent. Try again. Oh no, she managed to get it off. Aim for the green button, Super Truck. Good shot, Super Truck. At least no more fires now. But what is that? Super Truck, watch out! Oh no, this is not working. Police Robot is getting away again. Yes, you got one wheel. Try another one. Good job. Now you can hit that green button. Oh no, it looks like you will need more glue, Super Truck. Sounds like backup is here. Now is your chance, Super Truck. Yes, you caught her this time. Time to hit that green button. The city is finally safe again, thanks to Super Truck and all his helpers. It takes bravery to be a superhero and to cross the road. Come on, Barry. You can do it.
Come on, boys. Pull hard. Ben wins! Carl, somebody needs Super Truck.
Hey.
Today we've got a big race across Car City to the beach. But we need one more participant to begin the race. Super Truck, please help them.
Yeah.
Hey! Hey! Very impressive! It's time to transform! Get ready and go! Uh-oh, looks like Jerry is up to something. Oh no, Super Truck! Wrong way!
Oh. Ha. Aha.
Super Truck, Jerry and Marley are cheating again. Please help Amber and Matilda.
Oh.
We're about to get to the beach. We cannot let those cheaters win. Yes, it's working. And we've got the winners. You see, it's better to play fair. Huh?
Hey.
Thank you, Super Truck. You saved the day.
What's the hurry, Marley? A giant tiger is chasing you. It's destroying the park. Watch out! Phew! That was close. Someone, help! Super Truck, quick! Marley needs your help. Oh no, you can't drive in that terrain. Looks like you'll have to transform. Super Monster Truck to the rescue! Go after it! Oh no! Super Truck, quick! You have to do something. You scared it off. Marley can't get up. Thanks, Super Truck. Now get that tiger! Careful! The tiger's coming back! The tiger looks hungry. It's eating the food! Shh! Quiet! It might hear you. It has found you! Run! Drive away, Barry! Just in time, Super Truck. You better get away. It's getting closer. Watch out! It's a dead end. Oh no, you're trapped. What was that? Great distraction, Sonny. You should use the ST-3000 to scare off the tiger. It's time for some noise. Maybe it thinks it's another tiger. That didn't scare it. It's trying to attack. Quick, try something else. The ultrasound is confusing the tiger. It stopped. The tiger loves music. Everyone can now enjoy a peaceful picnic together. Oh no! Run away!
Hi, Jerry. Trying to break the speed record? It doesn't matter if you're not fast, Ben. There are lots of other things you can do. You want to race again? Ben, what's that? You took the town hall's energy canister. It's dangerous. Take it off. You can't slow down. Oh no. Carl, we have a problem. Ben has stolen an energy canister, and now he can't stop. You have to help him.
Hey. Huh.
Carl, Ben is going way too fast. Which transformation will you choose to catch him?
Hey.
Careful, Super Truck! Carl, you must catch him at all costs! He's heading toward the closing bridge! Ben, be careful! The bridge is not closed yet! Carl, use your special tool, the ST-3000! A grappling hook? That's great! Don't panic, Ben. Carl is pulling you so that you don't cross the bridge yet. Phew! The bridge is closed anyway. Uh-oh! You've got something, Super Truck! Look out! Whoa!
Michumu. Kapa.
Wow! Nice landing!
Oops.
You're out of danger now, Ben.
Morati kapa.
Thank you, Super Truck! You saved the city!
Maneme.
Are you preparing to distribute hot chocolate for the winter? That looks delicious! Oh no, there's a hole in the machine! Be careful, Walter! That chocolate is slippery! Watch out, Carrie! The chocolate machine needs a repair! Playing hide and seek? There's a problem at the diner, ST! Carrie and Walter need your help to fix the hot chocolate machine! Careful with the slippery floor, ST! Well, that was close! You'll need to transform, ST! Ouch! That must hurt! The chocolate is still coming out on the floor, ST! Are you trying to prevent the chocolate from spreading? Are you looking for the control panel? Nice job, ST! Watch out, ST! Use the ST-3000! Are you going to use the freezing ray to freeze the chocolate coming out? Keep steady, ST. Good job, ST. Delicious! Thanks for saving the day, ST.
An ice cream? Yummy! What was that, Super Truck? Marley Hulk is totally out of control. Oh, what a disaster! Elsa and Matilda are after him. You should help them. You'd better become another Avenger, strong enough to stop Marley Hulk. Wow, you're not Super Truck anymore. You are Spider Truck. Elsa, Matilda, don't worry. Help is on the way. I think he's pretty close. Wow, Spider Truck is so cool. Game over, Marley Hulk. Spider Truck is onto you. That's right. Teach Marley Hulk to calm down. Oh no, Marley Hulk is coming back at you. Be careful. Spider Truck, where are you? Elsa, Matilda, watch out. Marley Hulk is hitting those cars to get away. Oh no. Spider Truck, where did you go? Wait a second. What is that sound? Amazing! You're driving on the wall! What are you up to, you evil truck? Girls, watch out! This is bad. This is really bad. You have to save them. Don't worry. Spider Truck is going to help you. The spider webs can't resist the heat. You'll have to use the ST-3000. Nothing better to fight fire than water. Good idea. Oh no, the fire is too strong. But you can do it, Spider Truck. Come on, you're almost done. Hooray! All the fire is gone now. Now, let's get Marley Hulk. Right, Spider Truck? Come on. Again? This is not fair, Marley Hulk. You will get what you deserve. You'll see. The spider web. Wait a minute. Spider Truck is here. You have nowhere to hide. Do you hear that? It's the police coming. They're on to you, Marley Hulk. Great catch, Spider Truck. Good job. Now Elsa and Matilda will do the rest. Marley Hulk seems to have calmed down and is back to normal. You look better, Marley. Well, now you're going to have to pick up everything you've broken. Well, I think he still needs to calm down a bit more.